With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends. So the question is, write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. First equation is 2x plus y equals to 7. Second equation is pi x plus y equals to 9. And third equation is x equals to 4y. So we have to find 4 solutions of these equations. So solution of a equation is the value of x and y, pair of value of x and y. Okay, and we are given with a equation in two variables, that is we have a variable x and a variable y, and these equations are also in linear form because the power of x and y here are maximum power is 1. Okay, so these are the linear equations in two variables. Now the first part is 2x plus y equals to 7. The first equation is 2x plus y equals to 7. Now we have to find the 4 solutions of this equation. So first put x equals to 0, then we will get y 2 into 0 plus y equals to 7. This gives value y equals to 7. So 0 comma 7 is a solution of this equation. Okay, now let's put y equals to 0 in second part. So it will be 2x plus 0 equals to 7, and this gives x equals to 7 by 2. So the second solution will be 7 by 2 comma 0. This is also a solution of given equation. Now in third part, let's put x equals to 1. So the equation will be 2 into 1 plus y equals to 7. Now y will be 7 minus 2, and this gives y equals to 5. So value 1 comma 5 is also a solution of the equation. Now let's put y equals to 1 in fourth to find the fourth solution. So the equation will be 2x plus 1 equals to 7. This gives 2x equals to 7 minus 1, that is 6. Then x will be 7 minus 1 is 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 3. So 3 comma 1 is a solution. 3 comma 1 is a solution of the equation. So 0 comma 7, 7 by 2 comma 0, 1 comma 5, and 3 comma 1 is solution of this equation. 4 solutions. Now in second part, we have to find the solutions of pi x plus y equals to 9. So let's make a box. Okay, then divide it into 4 parts, x and y. Now we will put the value of x here and find the value of y. Okay, so let's first place the put the value of x as 0. Okay, then the equation will be pi into 0 plus y equals to 9, and this gives y equals to 9. Okay, so it will be y value corresponding to x equals to 0 is 9. Now let's put the value of y as 0. Okay, so the equation will be pi into x plus 0 equals to 9, and this gives x equals to 9 by pi. Okay, so here value of x will be 9 by pi corresponding to the value y equals to 0. Now let's put to find the third solution, let's put x equals to 1. So the equation will be pi into 1 plus y equals to 9. So y will be 9 minus pi. Okay, so here y will be 9 minus pi. Okay, and in fourth, to find the fourth solution, let's put value of y as 1. So this equation will be pi into x plus 1 equals to 9, and this gives pi into x equals to 9 minus 1, that is 8, and this and it will be equal to x will be equal to 8 divided by pi. Okay, so the corresponding value of x, the value of x corresponding to y equals to 1 is 8 divided by pi. So 0, 9, 9 by pi, 0, 1, 9 minus pi, and 8 divided by pi, 1 are the solutions of the given equation. Okay. Okay, now in third part, we have to find the solutions for x equals to 4y. Okay, so let's again make a box and divide it into 4 parts. Okay, now let's first put the value of x as 0. So if x is 0, then the equation will be 0 equals to 4y, and this gives y equals to 0. So the value of y will be 0 if the value of x is 0. Now let's put, now we can see that if x is 0, then y is also 0. So let's put 1 in this let's put 1 value for x to find the second solution. So the equation will be 1 equals to 4y, and this gives y equals to 1 divided by 4. Okay, so here it will be 1 by 4. Now let's put y equals to 1 to find the third solution. Then the equation will be x equals to 4 into 1, and this gives x equals to 4. So here it will be 4. Now to find the fourth solution, let's put x equals to 2. Then the equation will be 2 equals to 4 into y, and this gives y equals to 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so here it will be 1 by 2. Okay, so 0, 0, 1, 1 by 4, 4, 1, and 2, 1 by 2 are the solutions for given equation. Okay, so these are the answers. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.